Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the self-threader matches your needle size and thread weight so the hook will pass cleanly. Once done, lift the presser foot to release tension and trim the thread tip at a 45 degrees angle, leaving 2 to 3 inches to work with. Then position the threader behind the needle eye and feed the thread into the tiny guide. You want light tension so the hook carries the thread without bending the eye. Make sure to hold the thread steady as you prepare to pull it through. Next, engage the threader mechanism, rotate or depress it depending on your model, so the tiny hook can be positioned through the needle eye. While the hook is behind the eye, guide the thread into the hook groove, making sure it lies flat and not twisted. This prevents snagging when pulled. Then retract the threader slowly and evenly. You'll feel slight resistance as the thread passes through. Keep your free hand steady to maintain thread alignment and prevent the tip from fraying. Finish by trimming any frayed fibers and pulling 3 to 4 inches of thread through so you have a usable tail. Lower the presser foot and rotate the hand wheel slowly to test the first stitch and confirm the bobbin thread picks up cleanly. This avoids breaking during sewing. If the thread won't seat, check needle alignment and that the threader's hook isn't bent, and swap to a lighter thread or compatible needle size. One quick tip: a slightly stiffer thread tip helps on stubborn eyes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.